Stock number 40749G. It's a 2014 Volkswagen S60. Front fender's no good. Paint problem right there. See, the hood is good. Got some paint problems back here. Volvo S60. See, you got a dent right here. Side view mirror's no good. Front fender's no good. Steering wheel airbag, the driver and the passenger roof airbags. It does have a key, it does not start. Seats are electric. Seat belt's good. Passenger roof airbag. Steering wheel airbag. Driver roof airbag. Seatbelt's locked. Does have a sunroof. Seatbelt's unlocked. The seatbelt's unlocked. Stock number 40749G. It's a 2016 Volvo S60. It does have a key, it does not start.